All right, let's jump right into this explainer. We're decoding 7 proven side hustles to build serious wealth.
A millionaire actually dropped this gem. Don't reinvent the wheel. Just spot the winning patterns and copy them.
Okay, Sector 1, e-commerce and reselling. First up, good old eBay, but completely reimagined for today. The secret here? Dominating hyper-specific niches, like gaming accessories. It makes hitting that 10K a month way easier.
Hustle 2 is branded dropshipping. Forget selling cheap, fragile junk. You've got to build a legit, trusted brand.
It takes a bit to learn, sure, but literally just 14 daily sales hits 10 grand a month. Moving on to Sector 2, the creator economy. Let's see how turning eyeballs into cash actually works. Get this, YouTube is absolutely crushing Netflix right now. Brands are desperate for middlemen to tap that audience.
That brings us to Hustle 3, brand deal flipping. Connect creators with brands, take a cut, make bank.
Hustle 4, video editing. Because raw, human emotion and tension will always beat out cheap AI imitation. If you master storytelling, you're golden. Seriously, grab a cheap laptop and you are good to go. All right, Sector 3, design and strategy. This is where making things look amazing creates massive business value. Hustle 5 is brand identity. The UK government actually spent 650 grand on a logo. Crazy. So, master a brand's total vibe. Landing just 4 high-ticket clients a month hits your 10K goal.
Hustle 6, short-form strategy. Look, attention is literally currency now, and local businesses desperately need yours.
It's super easy to learn. Just charge local shops a flat fee, plus sweet bonuses for going viral.
Now, trading your time for money is a great start, but what actually takes you to the next level? That leads to Sector 4, the ultimate passive hustle. It's time to stop grinding and start coasting.
Hustle 7 is investing, and with fractional shares, there is zero excuse. You can literally start with $1. So the blueprints are all laid out for you. The only question is, which pattern will you execute today?